The Beats 360 might be one of Apple's worst kept secrets right now, because at this point we're way beyond a single rumor. These headphones have appeared in regulatory filings inside Apple software on retailer websites, and they've even been spotted on professional football players. And after the latest leaks, we now have a pretty clear idea of what Beats is planning. The headphones appear to carry the model number A3577, which first showed up in an FCC filing back in May as an unreleased pair of Apple Bluetooth over-ear headphones. Then the identifier B518 appeared inside macOS Tahoe, and more recently the same A3577 model surfaced in regulatory databases in Brazil and now the way, so while Apple still hasn't officially announced the Beats 360. There really isn't much doubt anymore that these headphones are coming, but the biggest leak came from retailer listings that appeared online before quickly being removed, because those listings basically revealed the entire product. And the first thing you'll notice is that these don't really look like the Beats Studio Pro. Beats seems to be moving toward a much rounder design with fabric and mesh elements that almost give these a little bit of an AirPods Max influence. You still know immediately that they're Beats, but they look more premium and considerably more modern than the Studio Pro. There's also something genuinely interesting happening with the cushions. Both the ear cushions and headband cushioning are apparently replaceable. The standard headphones are expected to come with what Beats calls performance knit cushions, while softer ultra plush cushions should be available separately. That might sound like a small feature, but it makes a lot more sense when you look at what Beats seems to be targeting with these headphones. The Beats 360 are reportedly IPX4 rated for sweat and water resistance, which would make them the first Beats over-ear headphones with this kind of protection. So unlike most premium over-ear headphones that you probably wouldn't want anywhere near a serious workout, these appear to have been designed with active use in mind. And that could explain the replaceable cushions as well. If you're using your headphones at the gym, being able to remove or replace those contact surfaces actually becomes pretty useful. Noise cancellation also appears to be getting a substantial upgrade. According to the leaked retailer information, Beats is claiming up to 1.75 times more noise cancellation than the Beats Studio Pro. We obviously need to wait for real-world testing before deciding what that number actually means, but if Beats can deliver a noticeable improvement here, that could be one of the biggest reasons to upgrade. You're also expected to get adaptive, ANC, transparency mode, and personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. For calls, the Beats 360 reportedly use beamforming microphones together with an AI-trained noise reduction system to help isolate your voice from background noise. And thankfully, Beats doesn't seem to be abandoning physical controls. The leaked design shows a volume rocker, multifunction button, power button, and a separate listening mode control positioned around the ear cups. Battery life is still one of the big unanswered questions. The listings only mention all-day battery life, including while using Anki, without giving us an actual number. We also still don't know the driver specifications, exact weight, Bluetooth version, or which codecs will be supported. One thing I definitely wouldn't assume yet is that these are getting Apple's H2 chip. There has been speculation around that, but nothing in these retailer leaks actually confirms it. The headphones should charge over USB-C, fold flat for easier storage, and reportedly include a woven ripstop carrying case. Interestingly, the retailer information suggests that even the USB-C cable may be sold separately. As for colors, black, cloud, sky, and pink have appeared for the headphones, while additional colors including Volt and Navy have appeared for some of the interchangeable cushions. So customization could actually become a fairly big part of the Beats 360 concept. And then we have the price. The leaked US pricing points toward around $299. If that holds, I think this becomes much more interesting. Instead of simply replacing the Beats Studio Pro with something more expensive, Beats could introduce a redesigned pair of over-ear headphones with replaceable cushions, IPX4 protection, and significantly improved ANC while still sitting around the $300 mark. We've actually already seen these headphones in public as well. Football players including Lamine Yamal and Anthony Robinson were spotted wearing unreleased Beats headphones around the 2026 World Cup, and looking back at those images now, they line up very closely with the Beats 360 design revealed by the retailer listings. So the mystery at this point isn't really whether the Beats 360 exist, it's when Apple decides to officially announce them. With retailer pages already prepared and the headphones now appearing across multiple regulatory databases, an official launch looks increasingly close. And if the $299 pricing is accurate, these could end up being much more than just another Beats refresh. They could be Apple's attempt to make premium over-ear headphones that are actually designed to be worn everywhere, commuting, traveling, and even working out without pushing into AirPods Max pricing. Now we just need Apple to officially reveal them.